everyone, it's Isa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. I haven't uploaded in a really long time, but I thought now would be a great time to start doing that again. Today I'm going to Lanzarote with my wife. It is our first wedding anniversary, so we wanted to go back to the place where I proposed to her back in 2023. So yeah, I'm currently outside the airport and I've come away from everyone because I'm embarrassed. But yeah, I've got my hair done, my lashes done, and recently got my lips done and my eyebrows today. So not my lips today, but like recently, but my eyebrows were today. And yeah, I'm gonna do my best, try and make this go as smooth as possible. Haven't uploaded for a while, but yeah. Hi, so we have just got to the like inside the airport, and it says we can't check in until 3:55. Do you want to be in my video? Say hi. This is the lovely wife. Yeah, it says we can't check in till then, and it's like 2:35 now, so we are just waiting. There is not really many staff here. We've never done an early flight before, so we just didn't know. But yeah, so we're just gonna chill here for the next hour and then get on it afterwards, and then yeah, just wait until there's people walking past. We're just gonna wait for that, and then we'll be able to go through security. Just yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. But apparently there's a storm at the moment, so hopefully the weather's okay, but fingers crossed. So since I'm priority, I have to go on before Tara, but I am walking there now, and then I'm going to meet her on the plane, and then let's get started. Hi, so little update. We are in Fuerteventura. The weather was awful. In Lanzarote, so the pilot couldn't see the runway or something, and just kept circling around, and then the airport in Lanzarote completely cancelled all arrivals. So that means we are now, well, in Fuerteventura because it was the only place we could land. We're gonna wait here for about 20 minutes and then try again. So hopefully like it's all okay, but it is currently 11 a.m. so I'm really hoping that we can get this as soon as possible. I've been sleeping with my trusty pillow. Wife. She's not happy. She wants a drink, she wants a fag. And
I've been sat here for 5 hours.
And she's been sat here for 5 hours like everyone else on this plane. So yeah, I'll update you when we finally get to Lanzarote, because it's hectic and I am tired. We've been up all night and all day.
24 hours we've been up.
Yeah.
To be
Yeah.
exact.
Yeah. So yeah, that's wonderful. You what?
At least you've had a nap, I suppose.
Yeah, I was sleeping on her shoulder because
I know, and I was
always
sleeping
sleep.
then and I couldn't sleep.
Sorry. I was just sleeping on my wife because you're my wife.
I just want a hug.
She just wants a fag, guys.
That would all
Yeah.
solve all my problems.
I thought I solved all your problems.
And a monster. Just to top it off.
I thought I solved all your problems.
Yeah, you do. But just to chill me out a bit. I got a few problems.
Yeah, babe. Well, I will update you when we get to Lanzarote or whatever the next point or plan is, because
People are saying
it
we might
is.
get a ferry.
People are saying we might get a ferry, which is
Because
great.
it's only like the other islands over.
Yeah. She's never even been on nothing like that before, so we'll see about that. I don't know. but that's not what the pilot just said. People are making that information themselves. But yeah. Okay, so we have finally made it on the transfer bus. That flight took 7 hours, is it? But we are finally here. And yeah, feeling good. It is boiling. It is so nice. And yeah, we're just on the transfer bus. I will do a proper update and everything once I'm back at the hotel, but honestly I'm getting used to vlogging again, so I don't really want to do it now, but I will do it as soon as possible. But that is the update. Got all of our stuff, everything went smoothly, the transfer is still here, and yeah, as you can see I'm sweating because it is bloody warm. But yeah, anything you'd like to say, wife? Warm? Oh yeah. Excited for a holiday? Yeah. Oh yeah. So we are finally here, and so we've got our balcony. I will give you guys a proper tour. We have just literally got here, checked in. We said it was our wedding anniversary, which is tomorrow, so they did give us a really nice view and things, like good location for the room, very close to the shop, very close to reception, and very close to the restaurant, which is amazing. You can probably tell the difference in how I'm talking now because I'm only in front of my wife and not strangers. So I'll just give you a quick tour. So you walk in, and then on the left you've got our bedroom with a massive bed, a nice window there, a vanity here. We've got a door there to go out to the balcony and some like wardrobes. And then the bathroom is just there, front door's there. And then we've just got this bathroom, so it's like a nice big like rainfall shower sort of looking thing. And then you go in, it's a bit of a mess because we just opened our suitcases and things. But we've got our little kitchen. We have actually bought budak with us because it's like our favorite thing. So we are gonna cook that on one of the days. And then we've got, this is the like living area. We've got a TV there, art on the walls, fly over the rainbow. And then we have another door to the same balcony. And then it's huge, and then we've got this lovely view. We can see the planes because the airport is not very far. We are staying in the Morromar Livvo apartment hotel. I will put it up on the screen. But yeah, so we can finally get this holiday started. It took us altogether, it took us 7 hours to get here, didn't it, babe?
Yeah,
and
all in all, we left at 2 a.m.
and it is now 3 p.m.
Yeah,
So
and we just got here.
We've been traveling for like 13 hours.
And the shuttle was like 10 minutes. So it was just the plane. We were in Fuerteventura for like 4 hours and both in and out of sleep. And then finally we landed in Lanzarote at like 2:30, I'd say. And then just went straight to the shuttle and found it, and it's great, and it is boiling. I didn't think it was going to be this hot, but it is absolutely baking. I prefer the wind. I wouldn't want it without the wind, to be honest, babe. Yeah. And we've got the palm trees, and I'm so excited. And yeah, I will try and film as much as I can today. I'm not sure whether I'm going to split this up into daily videos or like one big vlog or split up into a few. I'm not sure, but we will see how much I get filmed. I'm going to do my editing as much as I can, just on a quick iMovie thing on my phone. And then yeah. So we've just got into the shop on site, and I'm getting a Fanta lemon because I haven't had one since our honeymoon, and Tara's getting her Monster because it's, well, Tara. And yeah, the stuff's like pretty good in here. Like there's loads. It's a pretty decent shop. There is a long-haired black cat outside, and it meowed at us, and we were stroking it, and it was so cute. You can get a Monster for €2. This is, don't know, doesn't say, but I'm just gonna buy it anyway. And yeah, you've even got like a section for like, what's it called, swim section, swim and stuff. And you've got like noodles and sweets and everything, and yeah, it's pretty good. It's good. Happy with it. Hi guys, so slight update. We have gone into Las Playas or Puerto del Carmen, I can't remember, but either way, we've tried to put my card in the machine to get some cash, and it has eaten my card. We have called customer service there, and they said they're going to reboot the machine in 15 minutes. It has been like 20 and the card's still not coming out, so I've had to freeze my card, move my money over to a different account. It's a bit of a nightmare, but now we can't get what we wanted to get where we are, so we're going to have to go all the way back to the hotel, get Tara's cards, then try and get cash out down there so we don't risk this happening again, and then come all the way back and get back for dinner. So I don't know how we're going to do that, because we're meant to be going to sleep very early tonight, considering we haven't really slept any very long. But yeah, but we're going to get in the taxi now and head back to the hotel and sort that out. I completely forgot to vlog, if I'm completely honest, so I'm gonna like, I don't know, probably have like a few days in this video. But we have just eaten dinner, and it was like Chinese style. It was okay, it wasn't horrible, it was alright, like pretty decent. Like, I think a lot of people complained about the food in here in this hotel, but I actually think that was alright, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow. But I'm more excited for breakfast because we've seen what the breakfast looks like. I don't know why I'm playing my hair like that. We've seen what the breakfast looks like online, and we're excited for that, like pancakes and waffles. I don't think there's waffles, but like, I don't even like waffles, but yeah. And yeah, now we are gonna go down for a few drinks because neither of us have had a drink all day. I mean, I had a little bit of sangria at dinner. I barely really touched it, to be honest. So I'm gonna go have some drinks. All inclusive is until 11, and it is currently almost 9:30. So we've got like an hour and a half if we want to like check out the entertainment and drink, and then come back to bed and wake up bright and early in the morning. So yeah. So we did check out the entertainment area, but just honestly, because of the flight and how early we've been awake, we haven't had a proper sleep in over 24 hours. So we are just gonna smoke and sleep, really. So this vlog will continue tomorrow, and I'm gonna try and be a lot better, you know, like at vlogging, yes. And yeah, so I have my head wrap on, and then I'm gonna put the rest of this up on my head like in a bonnet, and then yeah, just feeling very tired. There was a lot to do today. I've struggled to vlog because there's so much to do today, but I will do my best to continue for the rest of the week. Good night, guys.